to be submit. So here most of the all feature are considered. Most of the all feature of, okay. So union is not considered here. Yeah. So look at this. Most of the feature has been considered. Please draw this diagram and you have to be submit it through assignment. So look at every entity. So weak entity is there also. Yeah, weak entity. Where is the weak entity? You can identify it. Where is a strong entity? You can identify it. Where is the derived attribute? We can say. Where is the primary key, which is the underlying? Yeah. Look at this. So this is a weak entity. Treatment is a weak entity, isn't it? Yeah. Treatment is a weak entity. Yeah. This is one of the feature. Yeah. PID is a primary key. It's a underlying. Yeah. So if the primary is its underlying is a strong entity set. Patient is a strong entity set. So which have the contact number is a derived attribute. Yeah, contact number is a derived attribute. Contact number is not a derived attribute, which is a multi-value attribute. Yeah, so which is a multi-value attribute. Single dotted is a derived, right? Yeah. So P details is a composite attribute. Date admitted, days discharge, composite attribute. So here's a relation one to one, one to many, many to one. So it's indicate many to one, one to one, right? So again, we can say it is a generalization and specialization indicator. There is a right. So we can say generalization and specialization here is indicated, right? So is a many to one relation, many to one relation, one to one relation, one to one relation, many to one relation. So this is all indicate. This is the key attribute or key values. Yeah, yeah, we can say. So where is the aggregation? Anybody has seen the aggregation, right? You can show me aggregation also. Yeah, you should relate it. You should relate that where it can find it down. Yeah. So again, if you are able to form the union, you can make the union also. You can make the union also if you want to. If you want to. Where is aggregate? Can you send me where the two relation is associated? Anybody want to show me that? If there is no aggregation, can we do that? Yeah. Can you do that if there is no aggregation? Yeah, you can think of that also. If there is no aggregation, aggregation means what? So by aggregation we can associate two relations. So where is that relation? So here is a diamond. Green color indicate the relation. Yeah, green color indicate the relation. So where we can associate two relation. Where we can associate two relation. So doctor. Right, it's employee. Doctor is we can say employee, or we can say other way. If you want to show the aggregate, so doctor is an employee, right? Doctor is an employee. Here is the employee entity. Here is a doctor entity. So some of the employee is a doctor, supposed to be, and some of the employee is a nurse, right? So what nurse can do and what doctor can do. So governs. So employee is right. So governs, yeah, nurse governs the room, but doctor also governs the room. So we can associate, doctor can attend the room also. So attends and governs, we can associate with them by using the aggregate. Look at me. So employee is their entity. Employee is also a nurse is also employee. Doctor is also employee. So nurse governs the room. Doctor also governs the room. May possible? Yes. So we can show that. Governs and the attend. Governs and attend. We can be associated with the help of aggregate. We can associate with them of aggregate. Look at this diagram, machinery. So employee is a right. Employee work in the project, right? Yeah. So employee works, right? And some of the employee require machinery. So work require machinery. We can associate this also. So other example that here also look at this. Employee also work and employee also manage. So here employee is associated with manage and employee associated with work on, and work and manage both are associated. So work and the managers both are the relation. Work and manager both are the relation. Yeah. So employee work. Employee manages and hence becomes manager. So in this liability diagram, we can say, so doctor attend the room. Yeah, employee, so nurse governs the room. Yeah, so we can say doctor governs also the doctor also governs the room. We can say then we can associate attend and the governs relation. We can right. We can associate with them if you want to represent. If you want to represent, you can just show the link between attend and the governs. Attends and governs. So this attend, governs and attend, we can show them. We can show them by the feature of extended ER diagram, which is the aggregation. Which is aggregation. So you have to draw this diagram on the paper and submit this assignment today. Only today. You have to draw right now because you have to just take the photo. You have to take the photo and you have to upload it. So I will give the 5 minutes again to draw this diagram because the same diagram you have to upload. Same diagram you have to upload in the assignment by in a Google Classroom today. Today is deadline. So take the 5 minutes, draw right now, take the photo and upload. So draw this diagram right now. Take the pen and paper, please. So I will wait for the 5 minutes. So now I will ask you mark your attendance in the chat box with yes message. Mark your attendance with yes in the chat box and draw the ER diagram. I will wait again 5 minutes. Please wait. Draw the ER diagram. Upload right now by using Google Classroom. Then and then your assignment will be submitted. Yeah. So after once you draw this diagram, I will launch the assignment. You have to submit within a 30 minutes. So better to draw right now. Take the pen and paper and draw right now. Draw right now so that you can upload within hours. So after this lecture, you having other lecture. So I will give the 1 hour to you to upload it. Yeah. So you will get the 5 or 10 minutes you can upload. So now I will launch the test. So you have to draw it. Draw it still. I will launch the test. You have to draw it. Yeah. Draw this diagram. I will launch the test right now by using Google Classroom. I will launch the test right now. Yes. Draw ER diagram for. So assignment has been launched right now. So you have to be submit after the lecture. Yeah. So draw this diagram. Just take the snap of it and submit right now. Draw this diagram. So I will upload the video of this today's lecture to you. You can take the screenshot and draw it. Everybody has to be take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot and complete this one. Take the screenshot and complete this one. Take the screenshot and complete the diagram right now. And upload right now, immediately after the test. Immediately after the test, you can upload it. And I will close the assignment. I will close the assignment within 15 minutes, right? Please note it down. I will close that assignment within a 15 minutes. Please note it down. So please upload the assignment. Everybody upload the assignment right now. So I'm checking that whether you upload or not. Take the snap, take the 15 minutes and upload right now. Google Classroom. So how many turn on? I will check that right. How many of you turn? So I will check the classwork right now. So 0 turn on. It is assigned to everyone. Yeah, Rutika is there. Assigned to 62 people. So they have to be upload. Nobody upload right now. So after within a 10 minutes, you have to be upload this assignment. Draw ER diagram for library management system by considering all extended ER diagram feature. Please upload it. So with this, I will end the lecture. Please note it down. So we can take the we can conclude this lecture unit in the next lecture. Please note it down, right? So today I will share all the PPT, all the video again, and books which you need to be refer. So you can refer the book, course book and course PPT. Remember, if you want to refer any reference book, so you can refer the Silver Chart course S. Sudarshan book, database system concept.